Good Monday evening to you. Richard Scott here for the forecast update. Got more rain coming up in the forecast and a lot of it. Let's talk about first off tonight. We are all quiet here in the west and central Alabama area. What you see around the radar side is not precip, that's ground clutter. And we are approaching the 10 o'clock hour. Got a little fog not far from Tuscaloosa off to the west near the Black Warrior. I do have some little bit of fog in areas, and I do think we'll see some fog tomorrow morning in patchy areas. Temperatures currently in the low 50s, pretty much where we'll bottom off for tonight. The air is just about saturated. Hey, it's 48 over in Summerton. How about that? Wind is light to calm. Again, across the southeast, things are pretty quiet, but you notice the rain coming up on the Florida Panhandle, part of a warm front that will be lifting northward tomorrow, and then to the west, you see the rain and snow over the plains. That's part of a system that will impact us later this week. 53 in Tuscaloosa, again got 40s in Hayesville and Jasper, 60s in Montgomery and Auburn. It's warmer down to the south, and tomorrow morning start the day off generally in the lower 50s, but clouds quickly increase. And by midday tomorrow, 66, around 70 at 3 o'clock. But look at the cold stuff out west. We got single digits now across parts of Montana, Wyoming, Colorado. Again, that cold air will be coming our way, and in a pretty big way. We'll notice that by the time we go into Thursday into Friday. So, again, tonight all dry. Tomorrow I do expect dry conditions for the northern half of the state, but some showers possible south of Interstate 20. Even during the afternoon, looks like most of the activity will be over the southern part of the state, and rain comes north early Wednesday morning. Pretty good soaking at times, some thunder also possible. And then it's going to Thursday. That's when the cold front moves in, and it looks like most of the rain should be over by sunset Thursday. Looks like a good chunk of the day will be wet, and it's going to turn a lot colder by Thursday afternoon. Temperatures going downhill. Here's the forecast, and again, we are looking at low 70s right around sunrise and dropping into the 50s through the day. And by 5 o'clock, the rain should be tapering off pretty quickly, 49 at 5 o'clock. So temperatures will be falling Thursday night. In fact, after sunset, we'll be in the 40s. All the trick-or-treaters, get ready for that. Rain chance, again, quite elevated on Wednesday and Thursday. Many of us will see rain and some thunder. Severe weather not really expected, but in terms of how much rainfall, 2 to 3 inches for the northern half, 1 to 2 for the southern half. So 53 tonight on average, 70 tomorrow. Showers mainly south of I-20, and again the rain really coming in on Wednesday and Thursday. Temperatures falling on Thursday, so don't let that 71 fool you. That's going to be early in the morning. By mid-afternoon, it is going to be much colder. Friday will be in the 50s all day, and Saturday, Sunday could be in the 50s all day, lows in the 30s. And don't forget, by the way, the time change coming up. We fall back 1 hour. Set your clock back 1 hour before you go to bed Saturday night as we end daylight saving time and go back into standard time. And that means it is going to get dark earlier in the evening hours. Sunday evening, Monday evening, it'll be getting dark around 5 o'clock. So get ready for that. All right, that's your webcast update. Hope you have a great Monday night.